Ang karunungan ay kapangyarihan.
It's time once again to put that power to the test here on K-Check.
Ako po si Attorney Gabby Concepcion.
At ako naman po si Jules Giang and this is K-Check.
This is it, our last weekly finals. Today's winner will move on to our semifinals next week with the hopes of making it into our Final Four.
A few more hurdles to go, contestants. Kaya naman one of you could be our next K-Check champion. Huwag na nating patagalin.
Ang apat nating daily winners ang dadaan sa ating karunungan check sa araw na to. Starting our week off with a score of 165 points is mechanical engineering student Chris. Will he go for the kill shot today? And with 135 points, we have Kla, ang paboritong bakla ng Mascom. Pabor din kaya siya sa laban today. BAM student Taja is here today with a score of 140 points. Will she be able to deduce the answers to today's questions? And applied physics student Ben completes our roster with this week high score of 220 points. Will this astronomy enthusiast reach for the stars in this competition?
These four will be competing under the watchful eyes of today's K-Check panel of experts. Firstly, we have Professor Luisa De Leon Bolinao, former chair of the Department of History and recently appointed College Secretary of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, UP Diliman. Next, we have Dr. Ian Kendrick Fontanilla of the College of Science, UP Diliman. And finally, we have Professor Eloy Hernandez of the Department of Art Studies, College of Arts and Letters, UP Diliman. At ngayon, contestants, narito na ang first round, which is also your first opportunity to earn points. Get ready to buzz in. Let's begin.
This is round 1. Question number 1. In 2024, this film adaptation of a Broadway musical won Best Film at the NBR Awards. What is this movie about Elphaba and Glinda Kla?
Wicked.
Wicked is the correct answer. K-Check. Question number 2. The James Webb Space Telescope discovered the 29th moon of what planet? Chris.
Jupiter.
Jupiter is incorrect. The 29th moon of what planet in August 2025? Ben.
Saturn.
Saturn is also incorrect. Kla.
Neptune.
Neptune is also incorrect. Taja. Uranus is the correct answer. Question number 3. The Ballon d'Or, awarded annually to the best player in the world, recognizes achievement in which popular sport? Ben.
Ballet.
Ballet is incorrect. This would be in either football or soccer. Question number 4. Which empire centered in present-day Peru was the largest in America before the arrival of the Spanish? Chris.
Incan Empire.
Incan Empire is the correct answer. K-Check. Question number 5. In quick math, what fraction in lowest terms is equal to 25% of 25%? Ben.
1/8.
1/8 is incorrect. Chris.
1/4.
1/4 is incorrect. The correct answer is 1/16. Question number 6. The Daraga Church, a Spanish-era landmark, and the famous Cagsawa ruins can both be found in which Philippine province? Ben.
Albay.
Albay is the correct answer. K-Check. Question number 7. What term describes the face of the moon when the lighted part is increasing or Yes, Chris.
Waxing.
Or can also be the term for the hair removal method that involves applying melted resin and then pulling it off with strips. Waxing is the correct answer. K-check. Question number 8. Which Filipino-German beauty queen became famous for the viral crowning mix-up during the 2015 Miss Universe pageant, Ben?
Pia Wurtzbach.
Pia Wurtzbach is the correct answer. K-check. Question number 9. Which classic H.G. Wells novel tells the story of a scientist rendered unseen? Yes, Chris.
The War of Worlds.
The War of Worlds is incorrect. The story of a scientist rendered unseen by his experiment.
Frankenstein. Frankenstein.
Frankenstein is incorrect. Well, Frankenstein was very visible, so the correct answer is The Invisible Man. Question number 10. Which 18th century female empress made Russia a major European power and was also known for her patronage of the arts? Tasha.
Catherine the Great.
Catherine the Great is the correct answer. K-check. Question number 11. The city of Tijuana is a major gateway for trade and tourism between the United States and which country, Ben?
Mexico.
Mexico is the correct answer. K-check. Question number 12 and the last question for this round. Which bean crop used to make products like tofu has seen such... Yes, Chris.
Soybeans.
Soybean has seen such expansion that it has been linked to deforestation in the Amazon rainforest. The correct answer is soybean. K-check. And that's it for our first round.
Thank you, Attorney, for that round. Let's do a scores recap. In the lead, well, tied sila sa first place, sina Chris and Ben with 30 points each, followed by Kla and Taja with 10 points each as well. 2 more rounds to go, and in the end, we will reveal our final weekly winner. Itutuloy ang competition sa pagbabalik ng K-Check! At tuloy pa rin ang ating karunungan check. Points recap muna tayo. Tied at first place sina Chris and Ben with 30 points, followed by Kla and Taja with 10 points each.
And now it's time for round 2 contestants. Remember, there is a twist in this round. Each correct answer is worth 20 points, but you will lose 10 points if you answer incorrectly.
So good luck. Let's begin. This is round 2. Question number 1. The World Trade Center and the One World Trade Center are all located in which U.S. city, Ben?
New York City.
New York City is correct. Okay, check. Question number 2. Which deep water natural gas field off the coast of Palawan supplies around 20% of Luzon's electricity and has been operational since 2002? The correct answer is Malampaya. Question number 3. In what African city can you visit the Citadel of Saladin or sail a traditional felucca boat on the Nile River? The correct answer is Cairo. Question number 4. Mental math. If 50% of a number x is 12.5, Chris?
25.
That is wrong. Let me proceed. What is 200% of x? Kla.
50.
50 is correct. Okay, check. Question number 5. Which actress was named as Hollywood's most bankable star after success in playing Black Widow in the movies and starring in Jurassic World Rebirth? The correct answer is Scarlett Johansson. Question number 6. Revolutionary leader John Adams became the second president of which country in 1797, Ben?
USA.
USA or United States of America is correct. Okay, check. Question number 7. Ascorbic acid, riboflavin, ergocalciferol are all, Ben?
Vitamin B.
That is wrong. Let me proceed. Are all what types of nutrients essential to humans? Cla.
Amino acid.
Amino acid is wrong. Correct answer is vitamins. Question number 8. What country has both English and French as official languages and is the second, Chris,
Canada.
let me proceed, is the second largest in the world by land area? Canada is correct. Okay, check. Question number 9. What is the energy that an object possesses due to its motion relative to a particular frame of reference, which is equal to half the product of its mass and velocity squared? Chris?
Kinetic energy.
Let me proceed. Relative to particular frame of reference, which is equal to half the product of its mass and velocity, kinetic energy is correct. Okay, check. Question number 10. Which England football team captain from 1996 to 2009 was knighted by King Charles III of Britain in June 2025? Correct answer is David Beckham. Question number 11. What protein commonly found in hair and skin has been identified as a potential ingredient in toothpaste to repair damaged tooth enamel? Chris?
Keratin.
Keratin is correct. Okay, check. Question number 12. Which accounting term contains the rare feature of having 3 consecutive double letters? Chris?
Bookkeeper.
Bookkeeper or bookkeeping is correct. Okay, check. And that ends round number 2.
Kumustahin naman natin ang ranking ng mga contestants natin after that first round. Thank you, Jules. Well, we have Chris in the lead with 100 points, followed by Ben with 60, Clau with 20, and Taja with 10. So, diba? Exciting. Kasi susunod na ang ultimate pagalingan round next here on
K-Check.
And we are back here on K-Check. Bago tayo magpatuloy, isa munang points recap. Chris is in the lead with 100 points, followed by Ben with 60 points, Clau with 20 points, and Taja with 10. Pero, meron pa tayong paparating na ultimate pagalingan round.
That's right. Dito sa ating panel of experts, manggagaling ang mga katanungan. Correct answers are worth 30 points each at may 15-point deduction for wrong answers. For this multiple choice round, we will accept the answer itself or the letter in answer, but not the letter only. So let's go for those points and for the win. Let's begin.
At eto na, to kick off the ultimate pagalingan round, Prof. Lou.
Okay, magsimula tayo sa isang Asian history question. What empire was ruled by Sulaiman the Magnificent? The choices are A. Safavid Empire, B. Byzantine Empire, C. Ottoman Empire, D. Abbasid Caliphate, E. Mughal Empire. Okay, Sulaiman ruled the Ottoman Empire at its peak in the 16th century. The correct answer is C. Ottoman Empire.
Maraming salamat, Prof. Lou. Tingnan natin ngayon kung masasagot ang katanungan ni Prof. Ian.
Genetics and probability. Ang red-green color blindness ay isang uri ng genetic condition na kung saan ay di na-distinguish ang kulay pula at luntian. Sani ito ng isang recessive mutation sa X chromosome. Para maging colorblind, ang mga babae ay kinakailangan may 2 kopya ng mutation na ito, samantalang ang lalaki ay kailangan lang ng isa dahil isa lang ang kanilang X chromosome. Kung ang tatay ay colorblind, samantalang si nanay naman ay normal at hindi carrier, ano ang probability na magkakaroon sila ng anak na lalaking colorblind? A. 0, B. 1/4, C. 1/2, D. 3/4, and E. 100% or 1.
Ben.
A0.
Hindi pwedeng maging colorblind ng kanilang anak na lalaki kasi ang ibinibigay ng tatay ay yung Y chromosome na hindi naman nagdadala ng mutation. So ang tamang sagot ay A0, K-check, K-bet.
Umpisa pa lang, malaki na ang ngiti ni Prof. Ian at nasagot ang kanyang katanungan. Prof. Eloy.
The Parthenon, a famous ancient temple, was dedicated to which Greek goddess?
Chris.
Athena.
Okay, so hindi ko na babasahin yung ibang choices. So, Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom and war, and also the patron goddess of Athens. So, the Parthenon is dedicated to Athena. So, Chris, K-check.
So malaki din ang ngiti ni Prof. Eloy kasi nasagot ang kanyang katanungan. Tingnan natin ngayon sa second round. Prof. Lu, masagot kaya ang katanungan mo?
At ako kaya ay ngingiti ng maganda. Okay, Asian geography ang ating tanong. The city of Almaty is located near which mountain range? The choices are A. Tian Shan, B. Pamir, C. Altai, D. Hindu Kush.
Ben.
Altai Mountains.
Mali po, let me continue. And letter E. Caucasus. Almaty, the capital of Kazakhstan until 1997, lies at the foot of the Tian Shan Mountains. The correct answer is A. Tian Shan.
Hindi pa masyadong mangiti si Prof. Lu. Tingnan natin si Prof. Ian.
Aling planeta sa ating solar system ang may kakaibang tilt na umaabot ng
Chris.
Uranus.
may halos 98 degrees sa kanyang orbital plane na ikinakansanhi ng kanyang paggulong sa kanyang axis habang umiikot sa araw. Ang tamang sagot ay Uranus. K-check, K-Chris.
Ang ganda ng ngiti ni Prof. Ian. 2 out of 2 questions. Prof. Eloy, tingnan natin kung pareho ang inyong record ni Prof. Ian.
Which singer is famously known by the nickname Prince of Darkness? A. Alice Cooper, B. Marilyn Manson, C. Rob Zombie, D. Ozzy Osbourne, E. Gene Simmons.
Taja.
D. Ozzy Osbourne.
Wow, Taja, maraming salamat sa tamang sagot mo. Si Ozzy Osbourne, member siya ng pioneering heavy metal rock band na Black Sabbath, and he also recently passed away. He calls himself the Prince of Darkness. Taja, K-check.
Ang ganda rin ng ngiti. Naku, nag-high five na si Prof. Ian at si Prof. Eloy. Parang FOMO si Prof. Lu. Pero meron pang 2 rounds, di ba? In the same way, ang mga contestants natin, may 2 rounds pa. But an update in the meantime.
Let's go. So, in the lead si Chris with 160 points, followed by Ben with 75, Taja with 40, and Kla with 20.
But of course, we're only halfway through because the second half, we still have
180 points.
180 points. So, hindi pa natin alam kung sino ang talagang mananalo, di ba? Hindi rin natin alam kung masasagot ang mga katanungan ni Prof. Lu. Tingnan nga natin, Prof. Lu, third round.
Okay, subukan naman natin ang world geography question na ito. Okay, the ancient city of Carthage was located in which modern country? Choices are A. Libya, B. Egypt, C. Tunisia, D. Algeria, E. Morocco.
Ben.
E. Morocco.
Mali po, sorry.
Anyone can answer. Chris,
B. Egypt.
Mali po, sorry.
only Kla or Tasha can answer. Kla,
D. Algeria.
Mali rin po. Kaya mo yan, Taja.
malungkot pa rin.
Not this round, Prof. Lu.
Bigo. Okay, Carthage was located near modern Tunis, the capital of present-day Tunisia, and was Rome's rival in the Punic Wars. The correct answer is C, Tunisia.
Malungkot pa rin si Prof. Lu, mga contestants. Tingnan natin kung patuloy ang pagngiti ni Prof. Ian.
Sige. Saang lalawigan sa Pilipinas makikita ang pilandok o mouse deer?
Ben,
Palawan.
Ang pilandok o mouse deer ay makikita sa mga isla ng Balabac at iba pang isla malapit sa Palawan Island. So, ang probinsya tiyata natin, Palawan. Ang tamang sagot ay D, Palawan. So, K-check din.
Ay, patuloy ang pagngiti ni Prof. Ian. 3 out of 4.
papasayaw pa si Prof eh.
Tingnan natin
Wow.
kung tuloy din ang pagngiti ni Prof. Eloy.
What do you call the traditional Ifugao house built on stilts with a steep roof? A. Bahay kubo. B. Torogan. C. Nipahat. D. Bahay na bato. E. Ifugao Fale.
Kla,
Ifugao Fale.
Yan. Of course.
Ang laki ng ngiti.
Oo nga, the answer is in the question. The Ifugao Fale is a one-room house, multifunctional. So, Kla, K-check.
Eto na.
last round.
Last round. Last chance. Tingnan natin, Prof. Lu, kung magiging consistent ang record mo hanggang sa pagtatapos natin today. Let's go, Prof. Lu.
Okay, ito yung katanungan sa Asian history. Which dynasty introduced the imperial examination system in China? The choices are A. Han, B. Tang, C. Qin, D. Song, E. Sui.
Ben,
Han.
Mali po, sorry.
anyone can answer. Tasha,
Kin.
Mali rin po.
only Chris or Kla can answer. Kla,
Tang.
Mali po, sorry. Chris, ikaw na lang ang pag-asa ko.
E. Sui.
Oy! The Sui dynasty first implemented the imperial examination system to recruit officials based on merit rather than aristocratic background. The correct answer is E. Sui. Tama ka, K-check, Chris.
maraming salamat Chris.
Kitang-kita mo naman, talagang nag-iba ang tono ng boses at,
At
ang
yung aura
expression ng muka at ang overall aura ni Prof. Lu. Maraming salamat daw, Chris. So, our last question for this round. Prof. Ian, tingnan natin kung talagang tuloy-tuloy na.
Philippine Legislature. Ang Republic Act 9147 o Wildlife Resources Protection and Conservation Act ay isinabatas noong 2001 upang ipagtanggol ang ating wildlife at ang kanilang habitat, pag-regulate ng pangongolekta at pagbebenta ng wildlife, at pagsunod sa mga pandaigdigang tratado tungo sa wildlife protection. Alin sa mga sumusunod na ahensya ng pamahalaan ang naatasang isatupad ang Republic Act 9147? A. Armed Forces of the Philippines. B. Department of Energy. C. Department of Environment and Natural Resources.
Chris,
Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR.
Hindi ko na po tatapusin. Ang tamang sagot ay Department of Environment and Natural Resources. So Chris, K-check.
Congratulations, Prof. Ian. Tingnan natin if congratulations will be in order with Prof. Eloy.
So, last question. Which city in the United States is often called the birthplace of jazz music? A.
Taja.
New Orleans.
Ay, Taja.
Ay!
Taja.
Pat on the back.
K-check, Taja.
And that's it for our K-Check Ultimate Pagalingan round. Congratulations to Chris, our last K-Check weekly winner, with a final score of 205 points. We will see Chris in the semifinals next week, along with our other weekly winners and our surprise wild cards.
Wow.
Oh.
And of course, maraming salamat kay Nakla, Taja, and Ben. Palakpakan natin
Oh,
sila.
wow.
Thank you so
Our
much.
weekly winners.
Correct. And to the members of our panel of experts, maraming salamat, Prof. Lu, Prof. Ian, and Prof. Eloy. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Jules Giang.
Ako naman po si Attorney Gabby Concepcion. Join us again on Monday for our much-awaited semifinals here on
K-Check.
K-Check.